Hello and welcome everyone to the Gold and Silver Club end of week commodity report, the non-members edition for the 29th of July 2016, presented by myself, Phil Carr at the Gold and Silver Club. So during today's session, we will be analysing the latest developments in the commodity markets. We will be providing you with a wrap-up of the week's events. The session will be covering a weekly market wrap-up, so a snapshot of the latest developments, commodity watch list, our top pick for the week ahead, and our portfolio performance update, our top trade of the week using our exclusive research-driven strategies. Let me introduce you to the Gold and Silver Club. The Gold and Silver Club is the #1 commodities trading and investment coaching company. We are regarded as the go-to authority on commodities trading. As internationally respected experts, our analysis and our opinions on the metals, the energies and the agricultural markets, they are routinely sought by major financial television channels and publications which include Bloomberg, Reuters, CNBC, the Financial Times, the Wall Street Journal, to name a few. Our team of experts has trained and mentored over 100,000 private traders from all over the world to increase their wealth and generate substantial income through commodities using our exclusive research-driven strategies. So for more information on the Gold and Silver Club and our expertise, please feel free to visit our website, which is at www.thegoldandsilverclub.com. Weekly market wrap-up, a snapshot of the latest developments. This week has been an explosive week for the precious metals. We had a number of major news items which we covered on last week's weekly report, which have come to fruition this week, and they have been a catalyst for breakouts on the precious metals. In fact, the precious metals have really been the leaders this week in commodities. We have seen gold and silver surge to their highest levels since Brexit, as the Fed and the Bank of Japan left monetary policies unchanged this week. So on Wednesday, we saw gold prices skyrocket as the Federal Reserve held back on rate hikes. We also saw the US dollar sell off significantly, boosting gold prices towards $1,350 US per ounce. Gold is now up over 25% year to date, and right now, as of the close on Friday, it is very close to revisiting its 2016 highs. We've had a number of bullish factors which have come out over the last 48 hours, which have really helped the breakout on not only gold but also silver, platinum and palladium. As you can imagine, we've been inundated at the Gold and Silver Club regarding these markets which have had huge breakouts over the last 48 hours. We've seen platinum break out to its highest levels in over 2 years. We saw the best monthly performance for palladium in over 8 years. So we've seen some huge inflows into metals. So with that, where do we expect prices to go next? We'll go through that with you very shortly, but there are certainly some really good opportunities now as we head into next week. One of the major news items you want on your radar next week is Friday's non-farm payroll. So this can also be explosive for the precious metals. And as we're now transitioning into August, August is also one of the best months of the year to capitalize on the moves with gold and silver. It is the start of the wedding season in Asia. It's the start of a number of festivals where we see gold imports increase, and you really need to know how to make the most of these trading opportunities, how to scale into a position, how to build a position. This is something we have been doing all week at the Gold and Silver Club as we've continued to enter into positions on gold and also on silver to take advantage of the news items we've had this week and also the overall sentiment of the market. The real leaders this week have been the precious metals. So let me show you that in a bit more detail. We've seen gold demand now from hedge funds remain strong. It's signaled further upside potential. We've seen again into the close on Friday, money managers, hedge funds have added to their longer term positions with gold, particularly taking advantage of the recent pullback to 1,310 US dollars per ounce. So as of the close right now, gold is trading at 1,351 US dollars. If you are trading and you haven't made money on gold this week, you absolutely should have. There have been some very straightforward trading opportunities to take advantage of. We've been identifying a number of these during the week, during our live trading rooms, providing the exact setups that we are getting into with gold, with silver, and also we've seen some explosive moves with platinum and palladium. But it hasn't finished. We are going to be looking at taking more breakout trades as we transition into August. In fact, the way the gold market has closed on Friday is setting up really nicely now as we head into August, which is traditionally one of the most lucrative months of the year to take advantage of the volumes and volatility in commodities. So you want to make sure you are set up for this. Silver is also a market you want to have on your radar. So hedge funds, managed money positions have boosted their net long positions to the highest on record. And again, silver has recently come out of a month-long correction. So we've been pulling back on silver since non-farm payrolls at the beginning of July. Silver is now starting to work its way back up towards the upper end of its trend channel, where it is poised for a breakout back above the highs of 2016. At its peak so far over the month of June, silver was up over 40% in 2016. It's recently had a corrective pullback and it's getting ready for its next second leg higher here. So absolutely, you want to put yourself into a position to capitalize on the next moves, on the next legs up in a lot of these markets. And right now, the leaders are the precious metals. As we head into August, they're extremely lucrative markets and you don't want to miss out on the trading opportunities that lie ahead. Commodity watch list, our top pick for the week ahead. Without a doubt, the top market you want to have on your watch list as we head into next week is going to be gold. So gold has closed the week not only at the daily highs but also at the weekly highs, and we've seen the US dollar collapse over the last 24 hours following on from both the Federal Reserve statement, the FOMC statement on Wednesday, which kept interest rates unchanged, and also overnight, we had the Bank of Japan's stimulus falling short of market expectations. So we've seen the US dollar sell off significantly, and this has sparked a rally in the metals yet again. We've seen gold and silver breaking out today. But gold, in our opinion, is only getting started. We're currently sitting at 1,351 US dollars per ounce. You can see where it's recently come off its supportive trend channel here, which had been building a base on throughout the last 2 weeks, and we've finally popped above resistance, and there is now a lot of clean air for gold to continue to run higher. We would definitely look for a retest of the 2016 highs over the month of August, but then you also need to know how to scale into this position to make the very most out of the upside potential here. So if gold was to continue to rally next week, you need to know what risk to put on the trade, what entry points, what exit points, what take profit zones you need to put for this particular setup, and also make sure you capitalize and are able to build a position, because you also want to take advantage of the longer term potential here as well, given that gold so far this year is up over 25%. So there are a lot of supportive reasons here for gold as we head into August, both from a fundamental perspective, a technical perspective, and also from a seasonality perspective. We are starting to develop a perfect storm for gold as we head into next week. So absolutely, this is a market you want to have on your watch list, and towards the end of today's recording, we'll provide you with more details of how you can gain access to the exact trades that we are taking at the Gold and Silver Club as we transition into August, which is traditionally a very lucrative month for commodities. Portfolio performance, trading performance update using our exclusive research-driven strategy. Now, as we mentioned earlier, we've seen some huge breakouts in the metals over the course of this week. So we've seen platinum breakout, palladium, gold, and silver. Platinum was the first metal to break out over the course of Wednesday's FOMC statement. We broke above the 2016 highs. We breached 2-year highs here, and we took advantage of a lovely, clean breakout trade above its 2016 highs on Wednesday for a 510-point breakout in 2 days. We came up and hit our profit target just yesterday, and that has been a really nice addition to our portfolio this week. Now, of course, you're well aware that we continue to hold longer term positions in a number of commodities, which of course includes gold and silver, but there are also opportunities to get in to additional swing trades and build your position. Would you like access to highly profitable live trading ideas shared with you, ready to implement for instant results? Whether you're a new trader and you're looking to develop a solid understanding of the markets and fast track your results, or even if you're an experienced trader and you're looking to take your trading just to that next level, the private members live trading room, it's definitely for you. As a member of the live trading room, you get access to the following. You get our live trading room webinars. So private members get access to exclusive live trading room webinars throughout the week. You can watch the Gold and Silver Club expert traders analyze the commodity markets right in front of you, picking out highly profitable trade setups, sharing exact entry, exit points, profit and stop loss targets, as well as walk you through live trading ideas ready to implement for instant results. You get trade notifications, which are sent through via email and SMS. So real-time trade notifications alerting you when to enter a trade. All notifications, they include the exact details of where we're entering, exiting, placing our stop loss, our take profit target on every single trade. All of those are sent out in advance notice to ensure you have plenty of time to get into every single position at the best possible price for maximum profits. Private members get exclusive access to our proprietary trading research and market insights to help you boost your win rate. And this really ensures that you get on the right side of all of the trades that you are taking. Our trading research is guaranteed to give you the ultimate edge in the commodity markets and really fast track your results. The private members live trading room includes the following. You get exclusive weekly live trading room webinars, live trade setups ready to implement for instant results, real-time trade notifications by email and SMS so you never miss a profitable trade, and you get exact details of where to enter, exit, place a stop loss on each trade, a weekly trading plan with a watch list of trade ideas for the week ahead, live trade support to help you successfully through every single trade, and institutional level trading research and commodity insights to give you the ultimate edge in the markets. To get exclusive access to our private members live trading room, please go to www.jointhegoldensilverclub.com. Once you've completed the application form, we'll get in touch with you ASAP. So with that, I wish you all a fantastic weekend, good trading. We've got a very lucrative month ahead as we approach August. And of course, I very much look forward to hear from those of you who will be making an application and joining us at the Gold and Silver Club.